at school, and this is my fit. Here it is. It's all neon, and it goes in the dark, so on camera. I'll be on Phoenix Beach tomorrow, so I'll make sure to link that below tomorrow, because my parents are getting like access. And I'll just try to make that in another video, Phoenix News, but like.
Today is crazy. Because we had neon day.
I didn't get to wear it on the other neon days, so maybe I'm not.
Yeah, but this is really nice.
I was hoping to wear it, and I just found the perfect match today. Everyone, like and subscribe if you want to see Phoenix News.
But if you want to see it.
If I don't get enough, then I can't do it in Phoenix News, so. Look to Phoenix, you gotta do it. With me glowing in the dark with all this shit, it's crazy. Make sure to like and subscribe to Phoenix News.